Have you ever reminisced about the past? Definitely ever. And have you ever imagined what would happen? Must have too. Or think of something. Definitely happens more often. It's all human nature. This time, we will make a visualization of past memories or shadows that occur in the future. We use VSDC, the best, most complete, lightweight video editing software that does not burden the device, and is open source. Please download, the link is listed in the description below. Before entering the project, you must first prepare some videos or images. Can personal documentation, or just search the internet very much? Of course, between one video and another is a picture of a different era. For example, video 1 while taking an exam in the classroom. Another video about the prizes for grade up. Got the meaning right? Okay. Let's begin. 1. Open VSDC. 2. Close the pop-up promo. 3. Click New Project. 4. Give it a title. Select devices, resolutions, and frame rate as needed. 5. Then click Finish. 6. Now we add all the videos that have been prepared. Let's take the example of only 2 videos. Then what appears on the timeline is also only 2 videos as well. The first video acts as the subject, who is thinking about something. The second video is the object being thought of. 7. Take the right position. Determine the time when the subject went to start thinking about the object. If you need to cut, then cut me the parts that are not needed. How to cut? Move the cursor to the position or the first minute of cutting. Then click Editors. If you also want to cut the back, then move the cursor again, place on the part you want. Then click the scissors image. To cut the front, select Trim Start. Back. Select Trim End. 8. Because the object is what the subject is thinking. Then add a transparency effect for a more dramatic effect. How? Right-click the second video timeline or object. Then select Effect Video. Then select the type of transparency as needed. Here's the result. The story of a man who is stricken with jealousy because his ideal woman is intimate with another man. Don't forget, before you export, must be saved first. Note, in this video editing you see is running text. How to make it? Cross-look at the last edition of the video. The link is below. Make video effects thing easy. You can do it.